Major repairs. Just looking down the carriage. All this traffic, man. I'm over it. Hey guys, how's it going? It's an update on the Jeep Patriot. So, got everything fixed. Oh, let me show you something real quick. See these lights up here? Just trying to get in the holiday spirit. Got some on the other side. See that? Now these are battery powered. They're not running off of the battery of the car. Of course, the lights at the top would look a lot better if it was a little bit darker. But just trying to see that, you know, how I look. Just trying to get in the holiday spirit, I guess. So anyway, going back to the update. So got the Jeep back, got the suspension components fixed, and I saved a pretty penny. I got the receipt and I'm about to show you right now. Here was the estimate. And those of you who watched the last video, ignore the 96,000 miles. That's wrong. But this is the estimate I got from a local shop close to my house. Now, I'm going to show you how much I actually paid. See, right here, that's $2,100 worth of work. Yeah, $2,100 plus tax. So, probably $2,300 out the door. Now, let me show you how much I paid. So, I took this Jeep to a local shop, and that's right, $530 is what I paid. $530. But there's a story behind this. So the guys that I took it to get it fixed, they fixed the lower control arm, inner and outer tie rods, sway bar links on both sides. So come to find out, he said he couldn't really find anything wrong with the struts or the shocks, but he did recommend that I do replace them sooner or later. So because I didn't really have to replace the shocks or the struts, I should say, front and the rear, I saved about $500, because if I would have had that replaced, I would have been spending $1,000. But $1,000 compared to what I was gonna pay at the other shop, it's a lot less money than I would spend. You get what I mean? So yeah, $530 is what it costs to get all the suspension components fixed, minus the shocks. And I'm just thankful. You know, I saved a great deal of money switching shops. However, I did get the parts myself, okay? The sway bar links, the lower control arms, and inner outer tie rods on both sides. I got that from Detroit Diesel, and I got all of those parts together for only $140. Can you believe that? So I probably got $600 invested in repairs all together, $530 for labor. So that's actually a great deal, considering that, you know, the other shop wanted $2,300 all together. Not knocking the shop in anything. I mean, the other shop does do honest work, but honestly, I feel like their prices are a little ridiculously too high. So always do some research when the shop gives you an estimate. It's a possibility you could probably find it or take it somewhere else that's trustworthy and get it fixed a little bit cheaper. Times is hard, inflation is hard. You know, we all are out here trying to survive. So why would you want to spend $2,300? The flat tire issue that I've been dealing with, I found out where it was coming from. I had someone comment on my last video and said it could be a bent rim, so I had the rim inspected. Come to find out, it's not the rim. It's actually this valve stem that was leaking from the TPS sensor. So this is going to be replaced. And come on, man. So I'm missing another center cap. Great. But going back to the video, the TPS sensor, tire pressure monitoring system, I should say, was what causing the slow leak. And so far, the only thing that's keeping the air inside of the tire is that cap over the valve stem. I did talk to Discount Tire. They will replace it for me. But the problem is they are booked all the way up until February. So I can't even get an appointment with them because they are so busy right now. And I'm not going to go to the dealership to get a TPS sensor because they're going to charge me more. So I'll just deal with it for now. So far, the air's not leaking out because I got that cap on it. But eventually, it's going to have to get replaced because it's going to get worse over time. I also want to give a shout out to Super X for being a long time subscriber and being patient with me. I should be uploading videos daily, but not how it is when you have a job and a family. But anyway, enough of the excuse. Super X made a valid point. As cars age, yes, your car is paid off, but as cars age, you tend to have more expensive repairs. So when you get up in mileage, you know, you got to start thinking about stuff like timing chain, transmission, and stuff like that, changing the fluid and stuff like that. Now, this Jeep, 173,000 miles, it still has the original timing chain on here, and who knows when that'll go. So the more miles you get on your car, the more expensive repairs can be if you don't do your routine maintenance. So just keep that in mind, you know, when you decide to hold on to a car longer. Now, I'm not knocking on anyone that want to hold on to their car longer. Nothing wrong with that because the price of new cars are through the roof, especially used cars. But you got to keep up on your maintenance when you get up in mileage. Now, as far as engine wise and transmission wise, you know, all I can really say is change your transmission fluid when needed. Use some synthetic oil for your engine. Now, I can't guarantee that your engine will last forever. In case you're wondering how these lights work, these are battery powered. And there you go. Got these lights from Rite Aid. You can also get them from Amazon. I only spent $2 on these. But like I said, just trying to get in the Christmas spirit, y'all. Holiday spirit. I had to hurry up and get back in this Jeep because it is cold. You see, it's 31 degrees, but it actually feels a lot colder than what they say it is. And plus, we got a big snowstorm coming. Sometimes I ask myself, why did I stay in Michigan? Why didn't I just move when I had the chance to? But drivability wise, it just rides a lot better than what it used to ride. And I'm just very, very happy that, you know, I got these issues fixed. Basically rides like a new car again. New car. Now the next project is a hub bearing, but you know, that'll be in the future. Wheel alignment to be in the future. You know, so this video up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.